Before you write a single word, stop thinking like a creator. Start thinking like an audience. Ask yourself, why do I watch one video until the end, but leave another in just a few seconds? Once you understand how the audience thinks, writing a high-retention script becomes much easier. In this video, I'll show you the 6 stages of a high-retention YouTube script that keep viewers watching from beginning to end. Let's get started. Stage 1. Start with a clear promise that matches your title. Imagine you're scrolling through YouTube. You see this video, How to Write YouTube Scripts That Keep People Watching. Why would you click it? Because you're expecting it to teach you a script structure and better audience retention. Now, imagine you click, and the creator spends the first minute saying, "Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel." As a viewer, what are you thinking? Where are the things you promised me? That's why every great YouTube script starts by delivering on the title immediately. Your title makes a promise, and your opening should begin fulfilling that promise within the first few seconds. Now, the question is how you fulfill the promise that can make your audience keep watching. Here comes stage 2. Hook. A hook is the first few seconds of your video that grab attention and make viewers want to keep watching. Here are 2 examples. 1. Hi everyone, today I'll teach you script writing. 2. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact script structure that keeps viewers watching from start to finish. Which one makes you curious? Exactly. The second one gives your brain a reason to stay. That's what a great hook does. Stage 3. Create curiosity. Good videos constantly make viewers think, what happens next? That's curiosity. For example, when you say these phrases, but there is one mistake most beginners make. The interesting part comes next. Most people skip this step. We'll come back to that in a moment. These phrases provide a reason to continue, as the viewer expects the next answer. If viewers already know everything at once, they have no reason to continue watching. Stage 4. Context through storytelling. Facts are useful, but a story can make those facts easier to understand and remember. For example, if I simply tell you, good scripts keep viewers watching longer, that's information. You'll probably forget it tomorrow. But what if I tell you a story? Rahul uploads a video. 2 days later, he opens YouTube Analytics. Average view duration, only 22 seconds. He improves the title. Nothing changes. He redesigns the thumbnail. Still nothing. Rahul feels disappointed. He shows the video to his friend and asks, "Is my video good?" His friend replies, "Your content is good, but the video feels boring. There's something wrong with the way it's presented." Rahul realizes the problem. He learns how to write better YouTube scripts. Then he rewrites the script using the right script structure. He uploads the new video, and this time, viewers keep watching much longer. Because viewers are watching for longer, YouTube starts recommending his video to more people. As a result, his views begin to grow. So, which one are you more likely to remember? The story, correct? That's because our brains are wired to remember experiences, not isolated facts. Stage 5. Deliver value constantly. Curiosity gets people to keep watching. Value keeps them engaged throughout the video. Now, think about the videos you finish. Every few moments, you learn something useful. That's why you keep watching. Great creators reward viewers constantly. Instead of talking for 5 minutes, they explain, show an example, give a tip, then demonstrate it. Ideally, every 20 to 30 seconds, your viewers should feel, "I'm glad I kept watching." That's what keeps people engaged until the end. Stage 6. CTA. It stands for Call to Action. It means telling your viewers what you want them to do next before your video ends. Never say, "Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed." As soon as you say these phrases, it signals your audience that the video is over and they will leave. So instead, say something that naturally leads them into your another related video. For example, if you want to learn how to create free AI images and videos using Google Flow mobile app, watch this video next. As you say this, show that video on your end screen. In this way, instead of ending the journey, you're opening the next chapter, like I just did. Writing scripts from scratch still takes time. In my next video, I'll show you how to create a single ChatGPT prompt that generates this exact high-retention script structure for any topic in minutes. If you found this video useful, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.